Interested in a 2010 Holden Commodore? Travel the roads in style and comfort in this great vehicle. Get there fast, it's power-packed, that responds smoothly to its 6-speed automatic transmission. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, climate control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD player, a CD stacker, auxiliary input for your MP3 player, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, ventilated disc brakes, side airbag, curtain head airbags, stability control. Stand out from the crowd with premium wheels. Enjoy the flexibility of multi-zone temperature controls. Anti-lock brakes help to bring your vehicle to a safe stop. Rest assured, safety elements are included to provide you with a secure ride. Call today to schedule a test drive.